Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can turn off the sleep mode of your Windows. So if you leave your Windows unattended, like after you are using it, you going to make another work at home and you leave it unattended, this will sleep. And after that is sleeping or your Windows is already sleeping, you have to open it right away or you have to open it again in order to wake it up. Now, can we just make it like this is not going to sleep, even if we are not going to make something into our windows or do something into our windows? Then we can do that. So, how can we do that? Click on the start button and then go to settings. Even if you're not shutting this down, this will really sleep. So, how can you make it or how can you turn off the sleep mode for your windows? On the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System, that's under Home. Now here in the list of options, look for the power and battery, screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, energy saver. Click on that. Then here you will find this screen, sleep, and hibernate timeouts. Use what happens when your device is out for a specified time. So simply click on this drop down menu. Now you have here for the plugged in, turn my screen off after, make my device sleep after. You have a lot of choices right here. Like it could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 hours, 4 hours, or 5 hours. We are going to disable the sleep mode, so we are just going to choose never. And once you choose never, both of these options for turn my screen off after, make my device sleep after, and plugged in will be never. Also for on battery, turn my screen off after, make my device sleep after, click on this drop down menu and then choose never. Now once done, you are not going to make any other changes in the settings right here. This is the right way in how you can turn off the sleep mode. So once done, simply close this window. And then once you leave your windows unattended, then it will not sleep or it will just show its screen and will not turn off or sleep. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.